Before school starts, most students focus on buying cute supplies. New backpack, new shoes, new stationery. But there are a few things almost nobody prepares for, and those are usually the things that determine whether your school year starts off smooth or stressful. So before your first day, here are the things you should actually do that most students completely forget. Number 1. Test everything before the night before. Don't wait until the morning of school to find out your backpack zip is broken, your calculator has no batteries, your laptop charger stopped working, or your water bottle leaks. Take 10 minutes and actually test everything. Zip your bag, open and close every compartment, test your calculator, charge your devices, fill your water bottle with water and leave it upside down for a minute. It's way better to discover a problem now than when you're already late for school. Number 2, create a grab-and-go school station. This changed my mornings so much. Instead of searching the whole house every morning, create one tiny spot near your door or study desk. That's where your backpack stays, your ID card, your keys, your headphones, your lunch bag, your water bottle. Everything you need leaves from one place. You'd be surprised how much time people waste just looking for things they used yesterday. Number 3, reset your phone before school starts. This one is underrated. Your phone can either help your grades or completely destroy your focus. Before school starts, delete the apps you barely use, move social media off your home screen, create a folder called School. Put your calculator, notes, calendar, Google Drive, school portal, or whatever apps your school uses inside that folder. Make your phone work for you, not against you. Number 4. Decide one goal for the school year. Not 20 goals, one. Maybe, I want an A in math. I want to stop procrastinating. I want to make 2 genuine friends. I want to answer 1 question in class every week. One clear goal is easier to stay committed to than a huge list you'll forget after 2 weeks. Number 5, make your study space attractive. Hear me out. You're much more likely to study somewhere that feels nice. You don't need an expensive Pinterest desk, just tidy it. Throw away old papers, wipe the table, arrange your books, get good lighting, maybe add 1 small plant or your favorite pen holder. When your study space feels inviting, you'll naturally spend more time there. And those were only the first 5. The next ones are even more important because they're the things students don't realize until they're already in school. Number 6, pack a first week survival kit. Here's something I wish more students did. The first week of school is always unpredictable. You don't know if you'll have extra classes, a teacher might suddenly give a surprise assignment, you could get a headache, or maybe your period decides to show up at the most inconvenient time. Instead of waiting until something happens, prepare a tiny survival pouch before school starts. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just include things like lip balm, pads or tampons if you need them, pain relief if your parents allow you to carry it, hair ties, band-aids, tissues, a few safety pins, and maybe even a little bit of cash for emergencies. Most days you won't need it, but on the day you do, you'll be so glad you packed it. Number 7, practice your school morning before school actually starts. This sounds funny, but it works. A few days before school resumes, try waking up at the exact time you'll wake up on a school day. Get dressed, pack your bag, eat breakfast, and see how long everything actually takes. You'll probably realize, oh, I thought getting ready only took 20 minutes, but it actually takes 45. Doing 1 or 2 practice mornings helps you avoid that chaotic first day panic. Number 8, clean out your digital life. Everyone talks about cleaning their backpack, but almost nobody cleans their phone or laptop. Delete screenshots you'll never look at again. Organize your downloads folder. Remove old documents. Create folders for each subject before school even starts. When your digital space is organized, finding your notes later becomes so much easier. It's one of those tiny habits that saves you hours over an entire school year. Number 9, learn your schedule before the first day. If your school releases your timetable early, don't wait until you're standing in the hallway wondering where to go. Look through your schedule beforehand. Notice which days finish later, which days you have double lessons, which mornings start earlier. Even if you don't memorize everything, you'll walk into school feeling much more confident because nothing feels completely unfamiliar. Number 10, write a letter to your future self. Okay, this one's a little different, but trust me, before school starts, open your Notes app or grab a notebook and write a short letter to yourself. Write about the kind of student you want to become, the habits you want to build, the grades you're aiming for, the confidence you hope to have, the friendships you want to create, and remind yourself why you're doing all of this in the first place. Then, don't read it again until the end of the school year. It's one of the most rewarding things ever because you'll get to see just how much you've grown. And that's everything I think every student should do before school starts. Some of these things only take 5 or 10 minutes, but together they can make your entire school year feel so much smoother. Remember, you don't have to become the perfect student overnight. Just focus on becoming a little more prepared than you were yesterday. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments which of these tips are you definitely doing before school starts. I love reading your comments, and who knows, your tip might help another Glowy. As always, stay glowing, Glowies.